Namaskar. One of the most painful movements in the history of India is unveiling as we speak today. The state of Manipur, the jewel of Northeast, is burning. Properties are being burnt. Arson, loot and murder is happening openly. Communal clashes are galore. Violence is unabated. Law and order machinery has ceased to exist. And what is the order issued by Modi government? That the governor is pleased to authorize shoot at sight orders. Just like the British government, only Modi government could use such draconian language as there is complete absence of law and order and breakdown of constitutional machinery in Manipur. And where are India's Prime Minister and Home Minister? They are busy electioneering in Karnataka. They do not care if Manipur or rest of India burns. For Mr. Modi, only vote matters. This is a fit case where Home Minister of India, Mr. Amit Shah, should resign or should be sacked forthwith. This is a fit case where BJP government of Manipur should be dismissed and Article 356 of Constitution of India, that is President rule, imposed. People of Karnataka, our brothers and sisters of Karnataka, Kannadigas, will not pardon the messengers of divisions who are out garnering votes as Northeast India, particularly the state of Manipur, burns. A decisive defeat for BJP in Karnataka will be the only learning lesson for Modi government, for Prime Minister himself, and for the Home Minister of India and for the BJP leadership. So I appeal to people of India, to our brothers and sisters of Karnataka, to vote out BJP. That is the only way to save national security as also national honor. Jai Hind.